I was 6 years old when I repaired my first motorbike. I was at the shop and a certain man brought his motorbike. And I asked him that what is the problem of the bike. And he said he wants to adjust his chain. And I did it for him. My name is Susanna Adjakie Apekor. I am 9 years old. I am in class 3. After I close from school, I go to the room, change myself, and come to work. And my father teaches me how to repair the motorbikes. I can repair Hauju, Boxer, Royal Hauju, Sunlink, TVS, and finish. The most difficult one for me to repair is Hauju because some of the things are very hard for me to unravel it. I am going to change the back brake shoe of this motorbike. I can repair the engine. I can change crankshafts. I can change piston and rings. I can also change valve. I can change spark plug. I can change chain and sprockets. I can change back rim. I can change the front telescopic spring. And I can change the riding chain. As for the hinges, it takes me for 1 day to repair the engine because many people can come for me to tension their chains. I should change their engine lubricants. That makes me delay on the engine. I can repair all the mechanical faults on the motorbike except electrical faults. I give electrical faults to my father to work on it. I'll go and stand by him so that I can learn how to repair electrical faults too. At my age, I can teach anyone who comes to the shop to learn how to repair motorbikes. My schoolmate tells me that I should continue to repair the motorbike. It will help me for another day. My teachers also say it is very good I am helping my father. My mom is very interested for what I am doing for my father. She's very proud of me. When I grow up, I want to learn how to repair planes, cars, boats. I want to be able to build my own shop and repair my motorbikes.